Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the most important property of light, a reflection of light. As we know that light possesses various properties like reflection, refraction, dispersion, scattering, interference, polarization, uh, superposition. There are so many electromagnetic wave. One of them is the reflection of light. It plays very important role in our daily life. Due to reflection of light, we are able to see any object. So first of all, we would like to explain about the reason of reflection of light. What is the reason behind that? So let us consider an object, surface of an object, surface of any object, surface of a body. What? As we know that any object has nature to observe, to reflect, to transmit or refract the light. What we observe when some amount of light rays are allowed to fall on any surface. Here I have just drawn a surface on which incident rays of light are falling here. Supposing the total amount of light energy is Q falling on that object. So what we observe, just the body has nature to reflect, some amount of light is reflected back in the same medium. Some amount of light is observed. It is shown with the help of this direction A, and some amount of light is transmitted or refract through different medium. So if we just discuss about that, then what we observe, the total amount of light is used in three parts. Some amount of light is observed by the body, some amount of light is reflected by the body, and some amount of light is transmitted, refracted. So one of the term reflection of light we have to study here. So once again I have drawn one more diagram. It will be clear from this diagram. Some amount of light rays, one light rays I have just shown this, is allowed to fall on that. That amount of light is reflected, some amount. So this is due to reflected light. The phenomenon is called reflection. Some amount of light is observed by the body. Absorption is taken place, and some of light travels again and transmitted, refract, changes their path. So what we explored about the light, that light is observed, light is reflected, light is transmitted or refracted. One of the property, reflection of light, will be discussed today, students. So what do you mean by reflection of light? The question is that it's very important for all of us. In 10th class we will study clearly. So hence the light is defined, reflection of light is defined as the bouncing back of light in the same medium on striking the surface of any object. Understand? It will be clear. So the reflection of light is defined as the phenomenon of bouncing back of light. It is defined as the phenomenon of bouncing back of light. I have just written here bouncing back of light in the same medium, on striking the surface of any object. Okay, so due to reflection of light, we are able to see any object. So in the reflection, the path of light, what happens about the path of light? In the reflection, the path of light rays changes. The path of light rays changes without any change in medium. Medium is not changed, but path of light is changed. That is reflection of light. So the bouncing back of light, returning of light rays into the same medium after striking the any object is called reflection of light. What type of reflection of light? So first of all, here reflection is of two types: regular reflection as well as irregular reflection. Regular reflection is what and irregular reflection is what? We will discuss one by one. Regular reflection is also called a specular reflection of light. A specular or reflection of light. And irregular reflection of light is also called diffused reflection of light. So what is definition of regular? In regular reflection of light, the amount of light, maximum amount of light gets reflected in the same medium parallel to the incident rays. Like, okay, so what will define that? So one by one we will define. Okay, so just see here the definition of regular reflection of light. Regular reflection of light. In regular reflection of light, the parallel beam of light are allowed to strike on the plane polished surface, and after the reflection, they travel parallel to each other in the same medium. They travel parallel to each other in the same medium. Such phenomenon is regular reflection of light. It occurs a smooth polished surface. And in the regular reflection of light, it is defined as a type of reflection of light in which incident parallel rays after the reflection gets diffused, intersect, mixed together. Okay, so it occurs rough surface and regular reflection occurs on a smooth surface. Understand, these are the main differences. Regular reflections of light makes an object very visible, very shining, not visible. Due to regular reflection of light, object becomes very bright, so it does not help to see an object gently. Understand? So what we have to write? The definition. It is a type of reflection of light. Reflection of light in which the incident parallel rays, the incident parallel rays of light after the reflection, after the reflection travels parallel to each other, in the same medium, Okay, students, they are not mixed together. it occurs, it occurs, it occurs, takes place, it takes place on the smooth, the condition is a smooth, polished plane surface, plane surface, plane surface. Next point, it makes an object, makes, next point, it makes an object, makes an object very bright, very bright, okay, very bright, understands? So these are the definitions of regular reflection of light. It is also called a specular reflection of light. So now what will be the definition of the irregular reflection? Irregular reflection of light. It is that type of reflection, it is that type of reflection in which, in this the reflected rays, the reflected rays are mixed together, intersect together, mixed together, and or diffused together, okay, diffused together, understand, students? So this due to irregular reflection of light, the objects are gently seen by us. We are able to see an object gently due to irregular reflection of light. Example, a spreading of light in the room from the outside source of the light is due to irregular reflection of light. It occurs, it takes place on a rough surface, of the object, okay, of the object. This is clear. This is the reflection of light. It plays very important role in the field of physics. This helps us to see an object clearly. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.